Hello there guys and girls, good midnight. There's another snail roaming around in the middle of street, in the middle of midnight. And there's a car coming. See that? If I'm gonna be late, this might be dead. So I'm gonna transfer you, snail, in a safer place, okay? See that guys and girls? Why is it that snails are invading these rainy seasons, huh? Maybe because they want to be freshened. So I'm gonna put you here, baby snail. See that, guys and gals? Oh no. So take good care in there, okay? Guys, as always. Oh gosh, sorry. Where are you? Anyway, keep safe, okay? There you are. Save snails, guys and gals.